Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the Primetime Avenger 26BK. So it's a non-slide, 28.5 foot total bunkhouse. It's kind of a traditional floor plan. You may have seen it before, but there's a couple things Avengers does a little bit different and a little bit better. So let's dive in and check it out. So you'll notice a bit of a facelift for the outside of Avengers this year. You got the nice gray tin, kind of contrast with the blue decals, power awning, outside speakers, nice big pass-through storage in the front, especially for a trailer this size. Solid stance steps, those just fold right up into the unit. So that's kind of nice to see at this price point as well. And then you got the full outside kitchen. So you got a plumbed in sink on the right side there, 2-burner stove that I already pulled out. And of course there's an outlet with some lighting, and then you got your little beer fridge. And then just around back, one thing to note is you do have backup camera prep. So if this is your first trailer and first time towing, it's really nice to have. You can flick that on, help back you into some spots. We call that the marriage saver. And then we got the little pet leash ring here as well, so you can tie up your pets. But let's head inside and check it out. All right, welcome inside. So you got the booth dinette as well as the sofa right when you walk in. So lots of seating and sleeping options. Both these will transform into a bed as well. Air conditioning, standard, and that is ducted throughout the whole ceiling. So you'll have a duct at the back, duct in the master bedroom, a couple extra ones in the living area here. You got the big stainless steel sink, cabinets above, nice and deep. You got the gray stone oven with the glass front, nice touch. 12-volt refrigerator. So this will run off of your battery power, different than the two-way fridges of the past. So first of all, this one is 4 cubic feet bigger than your the old two-way fridge. So running off your battery, if you are going to dry camp, you would want to set yourself up with a solar panel on the roof to help power the fridge. But otherwise, it will run off your battery for while you're heading on trips or going on destinations, things like that. You just wouldn't want to dry camp without a solar panel for an extended period of time. Here at the back, you got the vanity from your washroom on the outside. Okay, so it's really handy if somebody is getting ready for the morning. Somebody else could still be using the rest of the facilities. And then you got the nice oversized bunk beds. Okay, window at the back. You got USB ports on both levels. Really nice. And I'll let you take a look at the washroom. So you got the nice tall shower there with the skylight, tub surround. Then back to the booth area here, you got all your storage. Okay, so nice cabinets above. If you wanted to do kind of some entertainment, you could install a TV right on this wall here. So right across from your couch, there's a TV backer, and then that's where your Bluetooth radio deck is as well. And then just down through this little doorway here, you have your master bedroom. So walk around queen bed. There is a sliding door, give you some privacy. TV backer behind me here if you wanted to put a TV here as well. The bed will lift up for some storage. And then you got 2 closets on either side, and lots of nice deep cabinets up at the top. That about does it for the Avenger 26BK. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time.